What's up, guys? It's your boy Ben Moisan. I'm back at it again with another video, and I'm sorry, guys. It has been quite a while since I last uploaded, but don't worry, I got a special treat for you today. I've got two very special guests for the first time ever on the Ben Moisan YouTube channel. Please welcome skimaskdave and my boy John. Hello, yo. Okay guys, so today we're going to be cooking some delicious crispy pork belly, and John here, who's the professional around here, is going to show us how to do it. It's going to be very delicious. Okay, so boom, right here we've got a nice ripping hot frying pan, and into the frying pan we're going to go in with some delicious pork belly. This is just basically like bacon, but extra chunky. We're going to go in with a little drizz of olive oil, just so you know, so that the pork belly doesn't stick to the frying pan. And we're going to sizzle this bad boy.
Damn, John.
Wait, be silent, guys, so we can hear the sizzle. Shh, shh. Oh, look at that chunk.
There's no sizzle.
Okay, boys, time for some little bit of seasonage. First, we're going in with a little bit of salt. Oh, we love that. Look at the sunlight. That's so beautiful. Bro, my videos have never looked this professional. Now a little bit of pepper in the dunya.
Damn.
Ooh. Freshly cracked, obviously. Nothing less. Now we're just gonna close our barbecue so that the pork belly cooks more quickly. Let's go. Okay, boom, guys, we're gonna watch skimaskdave do some BMX tricks whilst we wait for the pork belly to cook. Come on, watch this. Oh, baby, look at that.
So we'll be doing 2 teaspoons of Gochujang.
Gochujang, with that.
You gotta have this. You buy it from Tesco or Sainsbury's. Nah, that's not the real one.
Nuh-uh.
You will get from like just a Chinese shop or any Asian shop, and then you'll be good. Yeah. 1 teaspoon of this.
What is that then?
Doenjang, and then need to add some sugar. I think 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of sugar, lovely.
And then you mix it a bit.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
A little bit of mixing action there.
Damn.
Obviously, like if it tastes spicy, then it's wrong. So maybe add a bit more sugar. So then we have that, and we have chamgiram.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm quite sure they won't have this in the Asian shop. We go to Korea and buy all that. So,
Oh, nice, nice.
So, and then this is soy sauce.
Soy sauce, obviously.
Yeah.
Korean coke.
Gotta love the soy sauce.
And then you know, just have a teaspoon.
Teaspoon of soy sauce in there.
We mix again,
A little cheeky mix.
Saucy.
but if you taste it, it should be kind of fine.
Jeez.
Yeah. Alright, and now I just want to chop this up, so like,
Scissors.
you probably want to use tongs, but I'm using, you know, chopsticks.
Obviously.
As a professional. Alright, we finished.
That's all the pork, baby.
Yeah.
Now we move on to the rice. We're now actually gonna cook our rice with a cheeky rice cooker. Okay, look, rice cooker right here. Boom. If you cook your rice in a saucepan, like, who even are you? We're gonna check out the rice now. Let's go.
Cool.
Take a little look. And it's look at that rice.
Damn.
Cooked to perfection, guys. Guys, my rice cooker. Look at this.
Do you have a rice cooker?
No. Don't tell him, man. Put the rice in the bowl, boys.
I guess.
Limited edition, you know, before we go into lettuce leaves.
Not lettuce
Limited
leaves.
edition. Kkaennip. I don't know what it translates to, but
Leaves, my guy.
Kkaennip, yeah.
Premium leaves.
It's basically stinging nettles, but they don't sting. Yeah.
They're just tasty. Ooh, love
I mean, they
that.
have a bit of sting, but it's like it's a good sting.
I'm gonna eat, boys. Look at that. We got the nettles, we got the pork, got the dip, the rice. It's gonna be pang. Yo, these are like legit chopsticks, like the metal ones. Let's try some of the pork first. A little bit of the pork belly. Look at that. Ah! Look at that pork belly.
Hold that down.
Look at that pork belly, man. Oh, jeez, it's gonna be delicious.
Yeah, put it on this.
In my mouth.
Idea. Nice.
Watch this. John showing me this pro gamer move. Yeah, take a leaf. Take a little bit of
You can
pork.
also just dip it in like.
Pork in there.
Wrap that up
In that. Little bit of rice. Little bit. Oh, it's rice. The texture is mad. A little bit of rice in there. Look at that. A little bit of rice. Boom, boom. A little bit of sauce. This looks very spicy, but you know.
Damn.
We move. Wrap the thing up like this. Like this. It's like a little dumpling. You put it straight in your mouth.
That's really good.
What do you think of the meal?
Well, in my opinion, it was quite delectable. The texture was godlike. I've never tasted rice so exquisite in my life. I would definitely endorse getting a rice cooker. I would definitely recommend it. The pork was tender. It was crispy. It was juicy. Also, the nettle leaves were great because you could like wrap them up, like use them like as a parcel to wrap up the rice and the pork, and then you put the spicy sauce on top of that, and then delectable.
It was quite good. I think the pork was very tasty, and the rice was like actually, I've never had rice like that before.
Whoa.
I also ate some stinging nettles and some spicy stuff.
I think this spice is gonna get me tomorrow.
Okay, so at the moment I'm actually editing this video, and since editing this video I have surpassed 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I'd like to say thank you guys. Next to 1,000 then maybe. Alright, thanks for watching.